Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can texturize a straw in Blender. So first, let's make the straw. To make it, use a curve, since a curve's UV is along its path. So let's add a path. Extrude this vertex, subdivide this here, bring it here, bit forward. Now go to Object Data Properties, Geometry, Bevel, give it some depth. I'm gonna go for 0.27. Now go to Shading Room, add a new material, wave texture, plug the color into the base color. Now add a texture accordion. Plug the UV into the vector. Color ramp. Can adjust the colors. And in edit mode, you can play and this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.